So, Samsung is set to launch 3 Galaxy S25 models during its highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event, expected in late January. With the event just around the corner, leaks have begun to stir excitement among fans, particularly regarding the design of the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. New images of the device's physical SIM trays have surfaced, giving us a clearer picture of the color options being considered for Samsung's flagship lineup. The leaked SIM tray images reveal 5 potential colorways, each with end caps that match the handset's design. These options include a nearly black dark gray, a bold dark blue, and pastel shades of purple and green. Rounding out the palette is a silver variant, which will likely serve as the white option. As always, Samsung's marketing team is expected to assign creative attention-grabbing names to these shades closer to launch. Historically, Samsung has reserved more subdued, sophisticated colors for its Ultra models, often highlighting the premium materials such as titanium used in their construction. While some of the S25 and S25 Plus colorways may make their way to the Ultra, they are unlikely to be as vibrant, reflecting the device's high-end positioning within the series. While color choices might seem trivial compared to hardware specifications, they are an integral part of any smartphone's appeal. A fresh color lineup can make a device stand out, drawing attention to the product and swaying buyers who seek to match their tech with their personal style. For some, a smartphone's color can even be a deciding factor, particularly when paired with other design elements. As the Galaxy S25 series competes with other flagship releases, such as those from Apple and Google, many tech enthusiasts are focused on how Samsung's generative AI capabilities compare. However, the fashion-conscious segment of the market will be equally interested in Samsung's approach to aesthetics. A bold or trendy color can capture the spotlight just as effectively as cutting-edge features, showing that design and technology are equally important in driving consumer interest. With its rumored color options and continued focus on premium materials, the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a well-rounded offering that caters to both tech enthusiasts and style seekers alike. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.